New Honda concept vehicle previews the styling for future Honda EV in China. Unveiled at the 5th China International Import Expo, the Honda EN2 concept previews future models in Honda's Chinese market EN line, which launched earlier this year with the ENS1 and ENP1 crossovers. Honda plans to release 10 EN fashions by 2027. The EN2 concept capabilities styling it really is a chunk greater imaginative than the first EN manufacturing fashions. It's a sedan with sharply creased lines blending into minimalist lighting elements. Honda's press release additionally noted a clean and uncluttered digital cockpit. It's quite an exclusive design from the Honda Prologue, because of be fully proven later this 12 months as Honda's first mass-market EV for America. And it indicates some of the smooth simplicity of the Honda E that the emblem decided not to carry to the US. Honda, meanwhile, has said that it's going to provide manufacturing for the upcoming Sony-Honda EVs in Ohio. In addition to its very own EV platform, Honda is running with GM to expand the inspiration for thousands and thousands of less expensive EVs, so one can arrive by way of 2027. We're curious to see whether or not these types of extraordinary tasks around the world can discover some design harmony.